In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can mirror a 3D object in AutoCAD. I currently have a drawing with two solid parts. I have this top plate, and then I have this part hanging off of it that has a countersunk hole in it. And I would like to mirror this feature to the other side of the part. In order to do that, I'll go to the Home tab, and in the Modify panel, I will find the Mirror command. For the Mirror command, in 2D, we basically pick 2 points to specify a mirror line. In 3D, we have to specify 3 points to specify a mirror plane. So since I want this to be mirrored to the other side of this part, I'm going to use some midpoints on this top plate to define that plane. So I'll begin with the 3D mirror tool. I'll select the object I want to mirror and press enter. And by default, it is in the 3 points mode for the mirror, so I'm just going to pick 3 of the midpoints here across this part. I'll press enter to say no to delete the source objects, and we can see the part has been mirrored. One thing I want to point out too, it's important to note that I had not yet joined these together. I did want them to be separate features, but of course now that I've got them all mirrored, I can go ahead and use my union tool and turn this into one solid part. So once again, the mirror command in 3D, very similar to the mirror command in 2D. It's just that we have to specify 3 points to create a mirror plane instead of 2 points to create a mirror line. That concludes this look at mirroring 3D objects in AutoCAD.